everybody, this is Thad, the Survival Gardener, and today we are going to go over cooking up an old rooster in an Instant Pot or pressure cooker of any kind. This little guy, I killed him yesterday. You might know he's affectionately known as Rizzle the Rooster. We had to put him down because he was a little mean. But when you're cooking a rooster or an old hen, the rules are about the same as cooking a chicken, a regular old chicken, except what you're going to need to do is a little more pressure and a little more time, because in the past when I've cooked roosters, they come out a little stringy. And what we're going to have to do first is we're going to have to chop them up, because I got the poor man's small Instant Pot back there. Can't fit the whole guy in there. My goal today is to get some broth that I can save and just have on hand anytime I'm making soup, and also just get some quality usable chunks of protein that I can stick in freezer bags. I also like to make like a rooster dip, similar to like a chicken dip, buffalo rooster dip, and we'll see how that goes. But I like to make use of all the animals on the property. A lot of people throw out roosters or throw out old hens, and that just, you gotta honor these guys. They lived a good life, they served a good purpose, and I don't like wasting the life of an animal and not using it when you can use it, especially if they're tasty. So, let's get going.
Ah, crap. I forgot all my herbs. That's gonna require a quest.
Now I quest down the stairs into the gardens of Gelderon in search of my ingredients for my magical stew. Ah, Rosemary. Now I must find the holy Basil. Quest complete. Now I must return to the kitchens of North Westeros.
Here's a standard little mix of herbs and spices: onions, garlic, ginger, rosemary, and basil. Just gonna prep it up here, chop it all up, and get ready to throw in the Instant Pot.
I used to be an adventurer like you. Then I took an arrow in the knee.
Where dost thou forge this blade? Such speed, such agility, such visceral action. Now, place it all in the pot, let it soak with the meat. We shall cook one last meal, for tonight we dine in Northwest Guanacaste, Costa Rica.
Here you go, guys. Here's the secret. Oh, yeah.
I drink, and I know things.
A tablespoon of salt. Some cracked black pepper. Now fill the pot with water, just covering your chicken.
Now, if you're using an Instant Pot, what you want to be sure to do after you close it is to be sure that it is on sealing instead of venting, so it can build up pressure. And then what we're going to do is set it to high pressure, manual, and put it to 50 minutes. I've done it for less, but 50 seems to be the sweet spot for an old rooster.
Here we go. Let's get this broth. Looks and smells amazing. See if I can get this without making a huge mess. Oh man, the meat looks great too. Some ginger chunks in there. There we go. Oh, it's just falling off the bone. There we go. All right, now put some of the juice out there. I'll set this on this towel, and we have a beautiful amount of broth here. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but now what I'm going to do is take this broth and just let it cool down. And then I will put it in Ziploc baggies and save it in the freezer. And then we'll take all this and basically pull all the bones out. And so far, that's pretty darn good. Not too stringy at all. Should probably, I think 50 minutes is about right for an old rooster. Wow. I'm gonna spare you the process of deboning and then taking all the bones and junk out. I'll show you the finished product here.
Hey, you. Finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush, same as us.
Very good.
All right, so that's it. And we've got our rooster meat ready to freeze up or use today however we want to. My son is already attacking it, and we have about a gallon of broth. So super excited. Thank you, Rizzle the Rooster. Now, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you have any critiques or criticisms, go for it. You can watch my butchering video, which I'll post either right before or right after this. And I also have a video just about Rizzle the Rooster and some of the shorts if you want to learn the story of the Rizzle. All right.
ASMR.
The ASMR.
You can add that into the video.
You do a left channel, right channel. Me chewing. Well, I've just got to get this video to 8 minutes so I can do mid-roll ads on YouTube. I'll figure it out.
Never trying to shorten your videos, trying to longer your videos.
This is really good. This is better than the roast we did last time.
For sure. It's almost a minute. Do you want me to end it directly at a minute?
Go ahead, end it.
No, directly at 58, 59.